Hey everyone, this video is all about how to practice your English if you are not a native speaker in fun ways and not in the boring traditional way. I will share a little bit about my background for you to know why I'm an expert on this topic. I was born in Romania. My family immigrated in Greece when I was 4 years old, and then I immigrated in the UK when I was 19 years old. I can confidently say that Greek is my native language because I grew up there. I was taught this language in school and I do have a Greek accent. I also know how to speak Romanian language, but because I am self-taught, my accent is a bit weird in Romanian language as in English as well, because I'm also self-taught in English. I never went to any English school. I just used my YouTube at home and that's it. Enough about my background. Now, as you can see, I can clearly communicate with you in English. I need every day to maintain and to practice my English language speaking skills, because it is really hard when you don't speak it every day. You always forget words, expressions, feelings in that language. The first way of fun practicing your English is to mimic movies scenes. What do I mean by that? I'm sure you enjoy to watch movies as well. If not, you surely watch some series on Netflix. My secret is that when I decide to watch a movie for the first time, the first thing I do is to turn on the English subtitles, and when I'm watching the movie, I'm also reading what it says over there on the subtitles, to mostly focusing on what is being said on the movie and not what's happening in between the scenes. After I watched the movie the first time with subtitles on, I decide to watch the movie for a second time. I'm sure I'm not the only one who watches the same movie for the second and the third and the fourth and the fifth time. Second time I'm watching the movie, I'm turning the subtitles off. Every one of you has a favorite scene, or maybe 10 favorite scenes in every movie or in every series that you see. For example, my favorite scene on 50 Shades of Grey movie or series, I'm not sure, is when the elevator closes and Anastasia says Christian, and Christian says Anastasia, and they don't see each other for a long time. That scene is so romantic and dramatic in the same time for me that I really like to redo it and to mimic it. And then, as you can see, I can pronounce the names very nice, like in a nice way, like Anastasia, not Anastasia as it would be in Greek language, or Christian, not Christos as in the Greek. I know that you will tell me that it's only about a word, but you can pick a different scene where you have a sentence to mimic. You just need to mimic their way of saying it. After mimicking 10 scenes, let's say, from your favorite movie, you will notice that the correct pronunciation of the word that you've mimicked will stay on your mind forever. It will never go away. So the second fun way I am practicing my English is the mirror challenge. And what do I mean by that? I know it may sound odd, but speaking to myself in the mirror has been revolutionary for me. And it has helped me so much that you can't even imagine. Let me explain it to you in simple terms, how you can do it too. You go to a mirror, specifically in the bathroom, so no one can see you and no one can hear you if you're not living alone. And then you look yourself right in the eyes and you start with a simple topic that you like. You can discuss topics like how your day is going to be planned, or what plans you have for the weekends, or what kind of mood are you in. It depends on your level of English. If your English is advanced, you can tackle more complex topics in the mirror. This method will help you with your mouth movements and expressions, and it will allow you to immediately correct yourself if you have said something incorrect. At the beginning it will be intimidating, but as you keep going and you do it every day for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes a day, in the morning or in the night or both, you will see that you will speak so fluently and so confidently with yourself, and you'll be amazed. The way I'm speaking now is because of this, is because of me going in front of the mirror and practicing. I never went to an English school. I never had a teacher. No. My methods. One more thing about the mirror challenge is that you will laugh at yourself so much. You won't believe how funny you are, especially when you look into your eyes and you notice what the other people around you see. You'll be shocked. Seriously. Now, the third fun way to practice your English is with your phone. And now you will tell me that it's the same with the mirror challenge. No, it's not the same. I'm going to tell you how I do it. It's exactly what I'm doing right now. Right now, I'm looking on the camera lens, not at myself. Now I'm looking at myself. You see, it's like I'm speaking to the wall. So it's different. I'm not looking in the mirror. I'm looking at you in the eyes, in a camera. This is, again, intimidating at first, but later on, you will feel more comfortable on doing it. How you can do it now? Just grab a phone. You have a phone, isn't it? And turn on the camera and start looking on your camera lens, not at yourself. And start speaking about your favorite topics. One of my favorite topics is motherhood, because I'm a mother, I'm pregnant also, and I can speak about it all day. And I will make a video on that as well. Start recording and start speaking about your favorite topic. Your favorite topic might be cooking, or it might be food, it might be China, it might be cleaning, whatever you like. Start recording and then watch the recording. Reviewing this recording will help you find so many grammar mistakes that you make, and next time you'll do it, you'll correct them, and it's really, really helpful and fun, because at first you will be like, is this me? Is that my voice? Especially if you have no experience of camera recording, of being a TikToker, a YouTuber, or speaking in front of a camera at all, you will find it so hard at first, but fun, very fun. Then after you viewed yourself and you feel brave enough, you can share them on social media, on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, like I'm doing right now. You'll ask me why to share them online, to be a vlogger, to be a TikToker. No, just for feedback, for community feedback. I'll give you an example for this. I've made a challenge on TikTok where I speak English for 7 days, and then I ask for people to give me feedback from people that know better than me the language, of course. And yeah, notice that my TikTok is in Greek language. And then I was so amazed of how the people helped me, and I had 0 hate comments. And it helped me so much, and I've corrected so much my English pronunciation, my English grammar. Some people told me that I'm being repetitive and I'm saying the same words like I'm doing now. And they told me to use some other verbs instead of blah, blah, blah. They told me to paraphrase some sentences, this kind of constructive feedback. And after the challenge I felt amazing, and I couldn't believe my eyes how a community of people can help you grow on any skill. You see, this method can boost your language skills and can even make you a social media star like me. Speaking too much. Number 4, English karaoke night. You will call me old-fashioned now, because nobody does karaoke anymore like we used to in my time. I'm 28, by the way. Nothing beats a good karaoke night, seriously. Let me tell you my little secret. Adele is my English teacher. You know, Adele has no many songs, has very specific songs, but I know them all by heart. She has taught me so many things about relationship in the English language. I'm a really big fan, but not because of the fact that she's famous and a famous singer, and no, because her songs are on the point. Her songs explain exactly the relationships I had in my life, like romantic relationship, brotherhood, motherhood, everything. She speaks about everything in her songs. I have noticed through my self-teaching that singers who sing in English don't have an accent. Their English is so clear that you can understand even if you don't speak English. And obviously I'm not speaking about singers like Doja Cat, or rap singers in general, or trap. No, I'm speaking about pop singers mostly, and classicals one that I like. Now you will ask me, Sabrina, do I need any people around my house to do karaoke night? No, you can do it by yourself. Take your laptop or even your phone, put your favorite song with lyrics on and start singing. That's it. Very simple. And why it's fun? Because you can dance while you're singing, because you're learning the lyrics of your favorite song and you understand the meaning of it, finally. The last fun way of practicing your English is to speak with your kids, if you have any. If you don't have, that's the video for you. Thanks for watching. Love. This is my personal favorite way, and you will not believe how much I have improved my level of English since I had my son. When you have kids, a way of entertaining them is to have some screen time, which means you put them in front of the TV and they watch their favorite show, like Cocomelon, if they're a toddler, or Miss Rachel, Mr. Tumble, Miss Morning, all misses out there. There are a lot of English shows on YouTube and they're free also. How this helps you. You as a parent, instead of just go and clean the house or go and enjoy your screen time on your phone scrolling on social media, you could stay with your child in front of the TV show and watch what is being said on this show. These shows are perfect for adults as well, like me and you, who their first language is not English, because they use simple English terms. Also, most of the time, sign language, like they explain with your hand. It's like, this is an apple, this is a banana, I love you. You know, they speak very slow. You will tell me, Sabrina, I am not a child. You are not a child. Yes, you are a child in English language, if you're not advanced learner, you know. If you're just starting practicing your English, yes, you are a child. You are a child English speaker. Okay. You will ask me, what's the fun in this? What's the fun? If you have children, you know what's the fun. The look in your kid's eye when they see you mimicking and repeating after the teacher on the favorite show will be, whoa, is mommy doing that? Is mommy saying that? Is daddy with me watching my favorite show? Yeah, that's the fun in it. The video has come to an end. These are my 5 top fun ways to practice your speaking skills. Your speaking skills, not your writing skills. If you want to practice your writing skills, there are different tips. Let me know if you want me to do a separate video of that in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, and to leave a question down below. And please tell me, do you have a fun way of practicing in English? Yeah? No? Yeah? No?